Hey everybody, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that. Today I'm making a kind of a strange little sandwich. It's actually what I'm calling an egg dog. And it came about because I had hot dogs the other night for a backyard party and I've got hot dogs left over and I wanted to use them up and it's breakfast time. So I'm combining eggs and hot dogs and a little tiny wrap inside of a bun. Very simple. Now before we get started, just a reminder, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll get more recipes, craft ideas, travel tips, even restaurant reviews, all in the same spot. Just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when new videos are coming out. So here we go. I have left over one hot dog. So I take this hot dog, I'm going to roll it inside of a paper towel and throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Okay, back. That's already done. The next step is I'm going to get the hot dog bun ready. I've got a little paper boat here, and I've got one hot dog bun left. I'm going to take that, open that little guy up, set it right inside there, and I've got all my standard fixings here. I'm going to put a little bit of mustard in there. I always put all the stuff on the bottom. That's how I like to do it. Mustard goes in. A little bit of tomato goes in. I'll put some on top as well. This is all left over from my party. That goes in. A little bit of onion goes in there as well. And a little bit of relish, sweet relish. I'm from Chicago. There is no ketchup on my hot dog. You don't ever do that in this city. Okay, now that's good to go. I've got some celery salt and I'll put some of this stuff on the top as well. Now over here, I've got my egg. I'm going to actually take my egg, break that into a bowl. And I'm going to whisk that up a little bit. Very nice and simple, pretty basic. So I've got a hot pan right here. I'm going to take my egg, put a little bit of butter in the pan. It's already heating up. And I've got some mozzarella cheese ready as well. What I'm going to do, make sure that's all nice and moving around. I'm going to put my egg in there just to make a nice little flat cooked egg. Just swirl that around a little bit. You can see it's just going to get it all nice and even. It happens pretty fast, so pay attention. There we go. I'm going to let that go until it's fully cooked. Give it another, not too long. Okay, that's good enough for me. Give it just a second. I'm going to take a little bit of cheese and put that down below. And then I'm going to take my microwaved hot dog, set that right in the middle. And with my spatula, I'm just going to roll this around there. Be careful there. Easy going. You have Teflon fingers, it works better. Get it in there, completely covered, just like that. You can see that well. Now, I'm going to take that, put it on my little bun, and we are good to go. Goes in just like that. And then I'm going to do a little final topping on it as well. I'll put a little bit more of my onion on top. A little bit more of my tomato. Get the rest of the tomato left over from my backyard party. And then I got a little bit of celery salt as well. Celery salt. And there you go. And that is my egg dog. Nothing goes to waste. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear what you think about this and other recipes you'd like to see in the future. We'll see you next time. Bye. Ooh.